In this video, I'm going to perform combustion leak test known as a block test. Welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel with another video. So this test helps determine whether combustion gases are leaking into the cooling system, which is common sign of a blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head or cracked engine block. So it's a cheaper way to test inside the engine if there's a damage or not, rather than tearing the engine for apart. So use the radiator cap on the radiator or the expansion tank where the tool fitted into. So this tool I'm showing has a special chemical indicator fluid, usually in blue color. This chemical reacts to carbon dioxide known as CO2, which is present in exhaust gases. So the tool goes into the radiator top tank where the radiator cap on this certain car, and then the hand bulb which I'm showing now, we need to press at least more than 1 minute, suck the exhaust gas. If there's exhaust combustion gas coming through the cooling system, that sucks into the actual tool through the chemical, and then the chemical color changes to green or yellow, depend on how much combustion gas coming through. So that's the level indicator. That's where you fill the chemical. And also I need to tell you guys, the coolant level has to be lower than the where the tool fitted, because if there is a coolant onto the top of the level, coolant will suck through to the chemical and test result not going to be correct, so because this changes the color. So what I'm doing now on this, I'm sucking through the cooling system and remove some coolant out from the radiator to the level below the level. So engine has to be in a working temperature. As you can see, this engine I've driven it before, and it's in a working temperature, and the temperature gauge is half, which is on the level. So coolant level is correct. I fitted the tool, filled up the chemical. Now what I'm doing while the engine is running, just pressing the hand bulb and build up a vacuum inside the tool. And if there's a combustion, the gases coming through the tool to the chemical. So you need to keep doing at least this one, this pressing more than a minute. So longer you do, it's better, but make sure there's no coolant sucking through the chemical. So because the test result is going to be wrong. So in this case, I tested more than a minute, but there is no color changes on the chemical. That shows the engine is good. So to test the chemical whether it's correct or not, I'm going to show this video now. I tested the chemical against the exhaust, because exhaust has high concentrate of the carbon dioxide, and if you can see, that changes the color. Yes guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share my videos.